Welcome! In today's video, we're going to explore how to switch between Instagram accounts effortlessly. Whether you manage multiple accounts for business, personal use, or different projects, this feature makes it simple and quick to navigate. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your feed. Next, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and account details. Now, look at the top of your profile. You'll see your username displayed prominently. Tap on your username, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select the account you want to switch to. If you've added multiple accounts, they will all be listed here. Simply tap on the account you wish to use, and voila! You've successfully switched accounts. This seamless process allows you to manage your different accounts without having to log in and out each time. It saves you time and keeps everything organized. If you find yourself frequently switching between accounts, make sure to take advantage of this feature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and happy Instagramming.